Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, guys, and if your power mirrors do not work, guys, and you're trying to find the switch for the power mirrors, okay, this one is missing here, but we have the other one. Stay with us and we'll explain, guys, where you can find the fuse for the power mirrors, and actually that fuse is for the driver's seat module as well. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we're making, guys, at least 200 videos. Why we take them completely apart? Because our mission here at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful and we'll be able to teach you how to fix your car for free. Now, if you guys need to buy car parts, tools, fuses, relays for a good price and fast shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. I will go ahead, open the hood. Let me show you now. You have actually two fuse boxes, guys, for your Ford Edge. One is under the hood, okay, right here. One is under the hood, but the one right here, it's not the one that we need, guys. We actually need to go inside. So if your power mirrors, okay, do not work and you're trying to find the switch for the power mirrors, or if you have a driver's seat with the module, you will need to check that fuse as well, guys. Okay, this is the mirror switch right here. We'll show you which fuse you need to check. Now we're getting inside, guys, and by the pedals right there we're going to have actually, okay, a fuse box. This fuse box, okay, will be right there. Let me explain now, guys, okay, where, okay, that fuse is located. Here now you're going to have usually a cover like that that you will need to remove by sliding that thing over, pulling it out. Here you will have another cover, guys, underneath that you need to squish, like here on each side. Squish, pull it out. Then on the back side you have a fuse puller. If you need to check it on this side, you have the fuse numbers printed on this side, but it doesn't say what the fuses are for, guys, so unfortunately you will have to know that. And fuse, guys, for the power mirror switch and for the driver seat module is actually, guys, fuse number 12. Okay, fuse number 12, it's what we're talking about now. So this is fuse number 12, okay, right there. And this is, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th fuse from bottom to top, or the 12th fuse from top to bottom on the left side. So checking this thing out now, guys. Okay, let me see what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This 7.5 amp fuse, guys, and if you're missing a fuse you still count that spot. That 7.5 amp fuse. Grab a fuse puller, pull it out, guys. This is the fuse, okay, for the power mirror switch and for the driver seat module, okay, right there. Now, guys, if you need to buy replacement fuses and get them for a really good price, you can get all that box, okay, here for a super good price and fast shipping as well. So check it out, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. When you're ready, all you have to do, just grab the fuse and push it in, guys. And this pretty much is it. Okay, let me actually position it the correct way. Okay, just like that. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.